Ever heard of a microscopic parasite wreaking havoc in your body? Ever come across the term Trichomoniasis? This small invader is the culprit behind one of the most common sexually transmitted infections, yet it often flies under the radar. Trichomoniasis, caused by a tiny parasite, can have serious consequences if left untreated. Despite its prevalence, many of us are still in the dark about this infection. It's time to shed some light on this common but often overlooked health issue. So let's dive deeper to understand what trichomoniasis is all about. Now, you might be wondering, how does one contract this parasite? Well, it's primarily transmitted through sexual contact. Trichomoniasis, caused by the parasite Trichomonas vaginalis, is a sexually transmitted infection that can affect both men and women. This microscopic parasite thrives in the moist environment of the vagina and urinary tracts. It's not picky about who it infects, whether you're young or old, sexually active or not. This parasite doesn't discriminate, and contrary to some misconceptions, it's not related to personal cleanliness or hygiene. It's important to remember that trichomoniasis can be passed on even when the infected person shows no symptoms. This means that even if you feel perfectly healthy, you might still be carrying the parasite and unknowingly pass it on to your partners. So how can you protect yourself? Safe sexual practices are key. Always use protection and get regular checkups. Knowing how it spreads is the first step to prevention. What happens to your body when this parasite invades? What are the symptoms? You may wonder. Trichomoniasis, often called trish, can cause a host of discomforting symptoms. These may include itching and burning sensations, especially in the genital area, and unusual discharge. For women, the discharge may be frothy or foamy and have an off-putting smell. Men, on the other hand, may notice a discharge from the penis or experience a burning sensation after urination or ejaculation. Now, here's the tricky part. A lot of people with this infection may not show any symptoms at all. This stealth mode makes it easy for trichs to spread without the infected person even knowing they're a carrier. If left untreated, trichomoniasis can lead to other health problems. It can increase the risk of getting or spreading HIV, and for pregnant women, it may cause preterm delivery or a baby with low birth weight. Remember, no symptoms doesn't mean no infection. So how can we win the battle against this tiny invader? Well, the answer lies in early diagnosis and swift treatment. On suspecting trichomoniasis, a simple test can confirm its presence. Once detected, antibiotics come to the rescue, often clearing the infection in a matter of days. However, it's crucial that both partners get treated to prevent a game of bacterial ping pong. Remember, this is a team effort. A simple test, a short treatment, and you can stop trichomoniasis in its tracks.